In this video, we show you how to clean the condenser of LGF series products. Ensuring the power is turned off first. To access the condenser for cleaning, please remove the 4 screws on the side like so. There is an additional screw as you open the doors located on the top. Please remove this. Please remove the front panel. Once the panel is removed, take off the filter. The best way to clean these is using some warm soapy water and allow to dry. Also, clean the condenser by gently using a vacuum cleaner or by very carefully brushing in the direction of where the fins face. If you have any questions, check out TEFCOLD.co.uk or give us a call. Our mission is to provide excellent service to our customers, helping them sell more and making their lives easier.